There is good news for the Indian Air Force. The MMRCA deal for 126 medium multi-role combat aircraft. The deal is likely to be signed at the end of the year. Negotiations almost wrapped up. Now this deal is likely to be signed at the end of the year between French Aviation Major Dassault. They are in Bangalore, and let me quickly bring in headlines today's Jugal Purohit on this. Jugal, in the past there's been many a slip between the cup and the lip. What makes you so sure? What are your sources saying that the deal will go through for the Rafales this year?
Well, Gaurav, I spoke to senior officials from the MOD who expressed optimism. They say that the Indian side and the French side have already concluded negotiations on the offsets, on the maintenance, and with the two-day negotiations in Bangalore. Even the transfer of technology, they say, will be complete. What then remains is the overall cost working, which they believe that 80 to 90% of the work is almost done. So it does seem, and they expressed optimism, that they do believe that their choice, the original choice of the Indian Air Force, the Rafale aircraft, may perhaps be very well on their path of signing and acquiring. Remember, Gaurav, at this time when India's squadron strength is depleting very rapidly, this meeting perhaps could turn out to be among the biggest boons for the Indian Air Force.
This is being seen as the mother of all defense deals. Keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more.